Looking for a Sunkissed makeup tutorial? You found the right video. My name is Michelle, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Sunkissed makeup tutorial so you can look cute all day and all year round, girl. I'm going to be posting many makeup tutorials, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to stay tuned to my videos. But now let's get started. I already done my skincare, so we're going to go straight into the prep. For my primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. As always, I am extremely faithful to this. It's the best primer. And as you can tell, I'm running out of it, so you can tell how much I love it. We're going to put the primer in all of the areas that we're going to put the base. So the foundation or your concealer, anything that you use for the base. And we're just going to rub it in the areas carefully. And I'm going to show you how grippy this primer actually is. This is the grip test I always do. Can y'all see this? Like, it's so good. It's so cheap as well. It's like, now on Sephora it's discounted at £750, British pounds. So please guys, run now. So for those who don't know what kind of like sun-kissed makeup actually is, it's like a makeup that's like based on like having like the effect of going to the beach and being super blushy around this area and like really light and like amazing glowy look. This is my go-to makeup style. I always wear it when I go to school, when I go out, I don't know what to do. It's really easy and simple. For my base, I'm gonna be doing e.l.f. again because e.l.f. is so good. But I'm gonna be using the Halo Glow liquid filter in the shade 7, I'm pretty sure. This thing is not like an actual like foundation. You can use it as a concealer, as a highlighter, as a foundation, as anything you want really. And it gives you an amazing glow, which we really want for this type of makeup. So I'm gonna be applying it on my cheeks, on my chin, my nose, my forehead, my big forehead. I used to not like put makeup on my forehead, like especially like foundation on my forehead. Now I realize how weird that was. Please put makeup on your forehead, girl. Please, what are you doing? But make sure to get an hydrating one. I understand because I have really sometimes dry skin and it can be like very dry around the forehead area. So just make sure to get an hydrating one and I promise you, girl, you'll be fine. It'll be extremely fine. So we're just gonna blend everything with the beauty blender right here. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's giving me kind of like a reddish undertones, which we do not absolutely mind because it's gonna help us when we're gonna put the blush and everything. So it's gonna give us the effect of like more blushy and everything. And bear in mind, you don't have to use the beauty blender. I use beauty blender because it's easy for me and I feel like I feel much more comfortable. But you can always use a brush, which is really good as well. Guys, I'm so sorry. I've literally forgot to do my eyebrows. And I just use a clear gel or clear mascara on it. This is like for both eyebrows and eyelashes. I got it from like Body Care. So make sure it lasts all day long, guys. You need to put setting spray in every single layer that you do. This is how I do it. Like without doing this method, my makeup does not last all day. The setting spray I'm gonna be using is the NYX Matte Finish setting spray, and it's so good. Even it's not even that, it's a bit pricey for like how much is in there, I think, in my opinion. But it's really good. It gives you like a super nice finish. It lasts so long. It's now like £8, £9. I got it for a Boots, so I don't know. But you're gonna be using the spray like this. So you're just gonna put like arm length on arm length, and you're just gonna spray it all over like so, and just like kind of like dry it and just wait a bit for it to set before putting any layers on. Now onto concealer. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Perfector. I'm pretty sure it's Perfector. It's gone. Like I've been using this for so long. It's gone. 4-in-1 glow makeup, and it's so good. It's like a primer, concealer, highlighter, and BB cream. Trust me, this is so good, and it's so glowy. It's got little like glitters in it, but we want that for this type of makeup. For reference, this is the shade 3 Medium Deep. I am absolutely in love with this packaging because you can tell that he's using all of the product and there's not like any left. By the way, I'm gonna put the concealer base in like my center zones so they can like highlight them. And I'm gonna be using a different sponge. This is kind of like smaller. I got it from Shein, honestly. Done. So now guys, I always put mascara by this point, but because I've got eyelashes on, I don't need to put mascara obviously. So I'm gonna be going straight on to the blush. This is the blush that I use. I'm extremely faithful to this as well. This is the She Glam blush, liquid blush in the shade Rose Ritual. It is amazing. Every single time I wear it, people say, oh my god, this is amazing. It looks so good on your skin, especially for dark skin. This is a really, really good shade and really good blush. I am honestly so surprised and I can't wait to try even more She Glam makeup, and I'm gonna be doing a haul soon about that. This shade is really, really pinkish and it's gonna be surprising how it looks really, really good on dark skin. I promise. So because I'm kind of like running out of it, I think because I use it every day and I've been using it for like quite a few months, I'm gonna be shaking it like this and taking it out. You see how much product there is in there now. To get a Sunkissed makeup, which is what we're trying to achieve, the main regions we have to focus the blush on is this area here. Absolutely, because that's where the sun goes. That's where we get more blush, where we get more red, and it's gonna give you the best effect. What I usually do is 3 dots, 1 dot, and 3 dots again. That's it. If you're using this liquid blush on dark skin, it's not gonna be as pigmented as a lot of other people, other makeup artists with lighter skin say it is, because it's gonna blend into your skin. But this is a really good advantage because it's really buildable. So if you don't think it's enough, you can put a bit more and make it even better. Now you may want to stop here and go on to the highlighter, but I feel like I need a bit more, so I'm just gonna put it here and then here and just tiny bit there. Guys, remember, blush is never too much. I don't, when I hear there's too much blush, oh my god, you look like a tomato. I don't care. I don't care. I want to look like a tomato. What about that? Like, who are you? Tell me what to do. Oh guys, I'm joking. Blush is the best thing. I think it's the best part of makeup. I don't know. The 2 things that are my favorite is literally blush and highlighter. Tell me in the comments which part is your favorite, because I absolutely love putting blush on. Now onto the highlighter. This is the again She Glam highlighter. I extremely stay faithful to She Glam. I love it so much. This is the She Glam liquid highlighter in the shade Tea Cake, which is more of a golden shade, because the other shades I feel like they would be like either a bit too pinky or a bit too white, which is the other highlighter that I'm gonna be using, but I want the main highlighter to be very golden. This is how it looks like, and it's very, very golden, and I love that. Warning guys, this thing is extremely pigmented. Even on dark skin, it is extremely pigmented, so please do not put too much of this. I promise it's not gonna be good. What I do is I like to highlight. I don't have a lot of cheekbone, so I like to put the highlighter in this area here, and on my nose of course, and on the other side. I'm gonna put a dot at first, and here. I'm gonna be putting a dot here, and I'm gonna be putting another dot here. That's it for now. You can blend it with your finger, you can blend it with the brush, you can blend it with the blue blender. I blend it with a mix of my fingers and the brush. This is the brush that I use, and yes, I use this because I feel like it's better for me. This set from Shein, but I really wanna try the She Glam brushes, and I'm probably gonna be buying them soon. With the She Glam stuff, I'm gonna be buying again. I can't wait to try them because they look so good and the design is gorgeous. I got this set for like £2 maybe, and it was like a set of probably like 18 or 12, I forgot. They're so portable, so they give you like the little bag. So it was so good and so convenient, and I just bought it because why not? I'm not gonna lie here, the quality is not amazing. I feel like it could be a lot better. Still extremely grateful. Another thing I have to say, this does dry kind of quickly, at least in my opinion. I have to be like a lot more careful. I'm gonna be putting a bit more on my nose, like about here, so that I can get like a cute line, because I really love to do like that cute line. Oh my god, this looks really bad, but I promise I'm gonna fix it. Once we put the powder on, everything's gonna be looking more balanced and more good, I promise. But hashtag trust the process if you've been watching this video until now, and thank you for watching if you are. Love you. Now I'm gonna be going on to like a more white, it doesn't look white but it is white kind of highlighter. It's like pinkish white, and I'm gonna be using this with my finger. This is a collection one, yeah, collection glow, And I'm gonna be doing on my nose. Now I'm going towards the end. I'm gonna be using my powder. I'm gonna be using the powder puff with it. This is the pressed powder by Maybelline. This is the Fit Me powder. It's really popular, I'm pretty sure, in the shade 250. Some beige, which does kind of look light, but I promise it will look good. So how to use this? I personally do not use it with a brush, only if I have to like spread it around, but especially for my under eyes, I use a powder puff, which you can tell I've been using a lot. Oopsies. I'm gonna go in like this, all over, and distribute it all over the puff, just like so. And then on the back of my hand, I'm just gonna lay it in there as well. Like that, so it even more evenly distributes, even more. Okay, onto my beauty puff, powder puff, and I'm just gonna be doing this, like so. You see how it immediately mattifies everything, and it's so good. It's not too light, which I love because I like glowy makeup, but at the same time I really like matte makeup. This gives the right balance. I'm just gonna put it on here, my nose. Now my nose is gonna look much better now. Like, it looks so much better. And I'm just gonna go around the whole face. I then use a bigger brush to go all over it and go all over my face like that. Whenever I use a powder puff only, I don't really get this side, and it gets all like sticky if I touch it, and like I can tell there's not got powder on it. And I want to get as much powder as I possibly can because it's gonna give you more matte, it's gonna stay longer. This is it. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of these videos, and any recommendation of new makeup tutorials, leave them in the comments and I'll make sure to make every single one of them. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.